What a beautiful morning. Oh man, this is crazy. About how many years it took to get our theme park. You know, I'm just happy that we got our own place again. Now, yes, our zoo burnt down, but at least we have a place to live. Hey, Velocity? Yes, Carlo? I need to talk to you. Yes, Carlo? What is it? Hey, so look, it's someone's birthday today. Oh, sweet, is it my birthday? You know your birthday is in January, right? Oh, is it Eddie's birthday? No, his birthday already passed. Then whose birthday is it? It's Gloria's birthday. Gloria's? What does it have to do with me? Velocity, I want you to attend to Gloria's birthday. No, that is not gonna happen. Well, why not, Velocity? I'm not gonna attend for Gloria's birthday after all the stuff she did to me. What did Gloria ever do to you before you did this crap to her? Let's see. Wrecking my car, destroying a Thanksgiving feast last year, and destroying my television, and you really think I'm gonna attend to her birthday party? Velocity, you're still mad about the television? That was from a random stranger. Oh yeah, I know that. But she should have handled it better than destroying it, and just accept the fact that I didn't want to watch Dora the Cringe. Well, I see your point, but haven't you done bad stuff to her too? Like what? Like beating up Gloria back at the sanctuary and forcing her to do your chores? My back was tired and I have a crick in my neck. Well, there was no reason to force her to do that. Well, it was either that or no internet. Velocity, come on. I know you and Gloria don't get along, but you guys have got to learn to get along. I'm not going. Velocity, yes you are. No, I would rather just die. Velocity, look at me. What? Gloria's part of the zoo. Just like you, just like me. How would you feel if we didn't attend for your birthday? Well, I wouldn't care. Oh my god, Velocity. Why are you selfish? Selfish? Gloria's the selfish one. Okay, fine. I'll go to the party. But just this once. And I will never attend to Gloria's other birthdays again. I'm not going to make that deal, Velocity. You're still going to attend to her other parties. Fine, I'll attend to her other parties. Come on, Velocity, it'll be fun. Look, you don't have to sing happy birthday to her. I don't. No, you don't. Okay. Oh, Velocity, let's go then. I have a bad feeling about this. Alright, Velocity. Gloria's in there, so please behave. Alright, Carlo. Come on, Velocity. Just be nice to her. That's all you have to do. Hola, Velocity. Welcome to Gloria's Fiesta. Hey, Velocity, I'm glad you came. Yep. And we also got worms. Hey, Velocity, do you know how old I am? Yes, Gloria. Velocity, Gloria is 22 years old. Wait, she's 22? I thought she was 12 or something. Wait, you haven't noticed that Gloria is 22? No. Well, I'm 37 and Gloria is 22. I'm Taranta. That means 40, and I'm 18 years old. And I'm 21 years old. I'm 21 as well. Anyways, what are those worms for? They're for everyone. You want some? No, I thought it would have been chicken tenders or chicken, but no. Well, Velocity, where are you going? I'm going. Oh, come on, Velocity. Aye, I'll talk to him. Senior Velocity, get back in there now. No, that's not been I like so far. What, Velocity, it'll get better. I don't really want to attend for Gloria's birthday. Come on, Senor. This is not the fiesta spirit. Remember, you don't have to sing. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. Oh, and by the way, Buddy and Mr. Pig are also gonna come. Sorry, guys, I needed a break. That's better. That's the Velocity I know. Oh, by the way, Mr. Pig and Buddy will be coming to this party as well. Oh, no. Hello, everyone. I'm here for the party. Sure you did. Well, happy birthday to the hippopotamus. Hey, Mr. Pig, I'm glad you could make it. Well, I like parties since I was an ambassador animal. We're just waiting for Buddy. Oh, that means he's probably gonna jump on one of us. Yeah, that's true. Watch out, guys. 3, 2, 1. Man, I hate it when he does that. Oh my god. Buddy, that was my seat. Move. Velocity. Come on, he stole my spot. Velocity just sit in his different seat. Alright. I'll just sit here. So, what do you guys want to do right now? I want to play a World's game with Velocity. Hey, Velocity, do you want to get out of my face? Velocity? I want to play a World's game with Velocity. No. I thought what she did a year ago, and the other year ago, I'm not gonna play with her. Come on, Velocity, it'll be fun. Fine, just don't touch me, don't talk to me, and don't go anywhere near me. And have a positive attitude, Velocity. Fine, let's just play. Alright, Gloria, how does this game work? Okay, all it is, use this ball, and you throw it on the back here like this. I thought it wasn't supposed to happen, but you just throw it in the basket. Alright, let's see how an intelligent dinosaur does it. Alright. Back to the target. Hands with the claws. Watch out, prey. Here it comes. Did I get it? No, you didn't. But you get one more try. Okay. Let's see how a pro does it. Alright. Come on. Up in the target. Claws on the arms. Watch out, basket. Here we go. Ha! Got him! Velocity? Okay, you equally did good. Time for the appetizers. Oh, that's pizza, but okay. Okay, being warned, everyone. We couldn't find a pizza that was vegetarian, but so you might just have to pick the pepperonis off. Okay. You know what? I want to give a slice to Buddy. Oh, that's nice. But what? Nothing. I'm gonna get Buddy his special treat. Here we go. Oh my, this looks delicious. I want to see what he's up to. Velocity, what are you gonna put in Buddy's pizza? You see. What? Oh my. I wonder what we got in here. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That was hard on my feet, but... Wait, what is this? Velocity, this is Louisiana hot sauce. Yep. Level 10 coming up. Dude, don't put that in his pizza. Don't do that. No, I don't care. I don't care. Whoa, just put that a bit. Here I come, buddy. Oh man, this is gonna suck. Hey, buddy, I gave you a special pizza. Here you go. So, how does it taste, buddy?
Whoa, what the heck? Buddy, what
Buddy, are you alright? I used your favorite hot sauce on his pizza. What? Why would you do that, Velocity? How does it feel, buddy? How does it feel? You're mean. Oh, now look what you did. You made it run away. Real great. Velocity, come over here. What? Velocity, you need to stop this attitude. You're gonna ruin this birthday for Gloria. I don't care about Gloria and I don't care about this birthday party. It's stupid so far. Velocity, stop it. Look, the cake is gonna come soon and you better be nice. Oh, don't worry. I'll be nice for her. It will be the best party ever. Man, senor, that pizza was good. I know. Man, birthdays are amazing in my opinion. This is the best birthday so far. I appreciate it, Gloria.
Me too.
That's good because I'm out of here. Well, Velocity, where you going? I'm out, okay? I'm not staying for any longer. Oh, no. Velocity, get back here. Velocity, where are you? There you are. Velocity. What are you doing? I'm done with the party. That you said it could be done. No, Velocity. What? You said after the food I could be done. That was the deal. No. I said after the cake we could be done. What? Oh my god. Do I have to sing happy birthday as well? Yes, Velocity. No, I'm not singing happy birthday to the floaty. Velocity, stop. Look, the cake is gonna be good. It's chocolate. Chocolate? It's chocolate? Carla, you know I don't like chocolate. Well, Gloria does, so I'm sorry. You just got to deal with it. Now, come on. No, I get off me. Come on, Velocity. Just be nice to Gloria. She hasn't done that much crap to you. Yeah, Velocity, it'll be fun.
Fine. I'll sing happy birthday.
Alright. Mr. Pig, do you mind getting the cake out?
Absolutely. All right. Gloria, you're gonna love this cake. Oh my goodness. Ta-da!
That cake's a bit small.
Well, we can all finish it.
You know, as much as a cake is pretty small, it looks pretty delicious. Even though I hate vanilla. Come on, Senor, you'll like it. Okay, yeah, I guess you're right, but still I'm not gonna sing happy birthday. Come on, Velocity. You're making me really angry right now. Well, good, because you don't have a choice. Come on, please. Alright, just because of your cringy voice, I'll sing. Velocity, just stop. It was offensive. Well, let's sing happy birthday anyways. Yeah, good idea, Gloria. Mr. Pig, where did you get the candles?
Oh, we didn't. I didn't have time to get the candles, so we're just gonna have to pretend there's candles there.
Oh, well, we really need candles anyways.
Oh, yeah, you're probably right.
I'll just turn off the lights. All right. Is everyone ready to sing happy birthday? I'm not. Flossie. Is anybody else ready to sing happy birthday? Well, I am. All right. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Gloria. Happy birthday to you. All right. Just turn the light. And we are done.
Who wants a slice of cake? Well, actually, Gloria gets the first slice since it's her birthday.
Actually, I want to get the cake to Gloria.
All right, you can do that. Well, I got my eye on you, Velocity.
Here you go, Gloria.
Thank you, Velocity. That was nice of you.
Actually... Velocity!
Eat a cake, motherfucker!
I can see! And that's what you get for crashing my car! Velocity, what was that for? She crashed my car and broke my TV! Velocity, that television was a scam and you should have known that! Gloria, you alright?
I can't see!
Payback, bitch! Velocity, that was so ignorant! That was a cake and you should have known that! You know what? I had enough of this. I'm out of here! Velocity, come back. You need to come back and clean Gloria's face off. Yes, he does, senor. He never appreciates a darn thing about her. Yup, that's what happens when Gloria and Velocity interfere. I know, senor. Like, why doesn't Velocity... Why can't Velocity be nicer to her? I don't know. Well, I'm gonna talk to Velocity. You do that, senor. Velocity? Yes, Carlo? Velocity, that was just unacceptable. That was her birthday, and you ruined it. That's why... You're such a jerk. That's why nobody likes you. Hope you're happy, Velocity. Oh my god. Maybe I am being a jerk now. Maybe I was being harsh on Gloria and everyone else. Oh, I don't even know if I should even apologize to Gloria. She probably hates me now. Oh, I had to figure this out.